Hey guys, thanks for joining in with me again today. If you've been to my channel before, you'll know that I love acrylic pouring swipes. They are easily one of my favorite fluid art methods. My other new obsession is using clear gel medium in the place of regular acrylic paint in my cell activator mixture. The resulting cells and lacing that come from the clear activator are just spectacular. A simple swipe can completely transform your pouring art. Today I'm working with a few shades of blue and gray acrylic paints mixed with just Floetrol. Since I wanted the colors to show up brightly, I chose a simple titanium white base color. Since white is such a light reflective pigment, it really brightens up any color it's with. In one of my recent videos, I mentioned surrounding colors affect the way other colors are seen. So, the color of the base will change the way you perceive any of the other colors you add. In my next video, I'm using these same blues and grays with a phthalo green background. The color differences are pretty incredible. I've been pretty crazy about using the clear cell activator for a few months now. Instead of mixing tinted acrylic paint into my cell activator mixture, I've been subbing clear gel medium. My favorite mix is a 1:1:1 ratio of Floetrol, Lucas Krill pouring medium, and Amsterdam pouring medium. To that, I add 2 drops of Minwax pre-stain per ounce of mixture. I have found this mix works wonderfully with both regular Floetrol pours and a cell activator for bloom pours. If you don't have access to the extra mediums, try using just the Floetrol with the same ratio of pre-stain. There was a happy little accident with the swipe. I dipped the end of the palette knife down a little further than I meant to at the beginning. I ended up pulling up a bit of the white base, and as I go for the turn, the white shows back up, crossing over some of the other colors. I noticed it pretty immediately, but decided to roll with it and see what happened. Since this is one continuous swipe, the paint picked up along the way starts to spread out more towards the end, creating a fine web lacing effect. The thing I love about the clear gel medium cell activator is that it creates multicolored lacing. There's no single color that ends up running through the cells. It ends up being a combination of them all. I think it's a pretty awesome effect and an easy way to shake things up every once in a while. This was a pretty quick one, so I'm going to keep it as short as possible. Don't forget to join in next time to check out the difference a background color can really make. If you have any questions about this pour or any of the others you've seen on my channel, feel free to reach out in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. See you next time. Bye.